Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to delete Netflix watch history. If you want to keep your Netflix profile organized, you can easily remove shows you no longer want in your continue watching section. This helps tidy up your list and makes it easier to find what you actually want to watch. Follow these simple steps to remove unwanted titles from your Netflix watch history. First, open the Netflix app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in to your account. Scroll down and you will see the Continue Watching section. Now, tap the three dots of the show you want to remove. From the pop-up menu, select the Remove from Row option. After that, tap OK to continue deleting it. You can also remove another one by tapping the three dots. Next, select the Remove from Row from the menu. Then, tap OK to delete it from the watch history. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value.
See you in the next one.